the plate, just make sure that you get there, and you can basically mark your holes where they're going to be at. There you go. So now that you have your marks, for this video, I'm going to be using the Milwaukee dust extractor or the dust catcher attachment connected to the Milwaukee Pack-Out vacuum. I'm going to mount this right here, and then with my other hand, I'm going to be using, for this video, we're going to be using the multi-tool. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M12 Fuel multi-tool with a 4.0 battery. So let's get started.